Education that builds minds and shapes futures.
A circle is one of the most important shapes in geometry because it is defined so cleanly and appears everywhere in math and in real life. A circle is the set of all points in a plane that are the same distance from one fixed point. That fixed point is called the center, and the constant distance from the center to the circle is the radius. If you double the radius, you get the diameter, which passes through the center and connects 2 points on the circle. The diameter is always the longest chord in a circle, and its length is exactly twice the radius. Several key facts about circles come from these basic parts. The circumference is the distance around the circle, and its formula is c equals 2 pi r, or c equals pi d. This is where pi, the famous number 3.14159, appears. Pi is the same for every circle, no matter how big or small it is, because all circles are similar. That means their shapes are identical in proportion, even if their sizes differ. A chord is any segment with both endpoints on the circle. A diameter is a special chord that goes through the center. A radius drawn to the midpoint of a chord is perpendicular to that chord, and this fact helps prove many circle theorems. An arc is a portion of the circumference. A central angle has its vertex at the center, and its measure is equal to the measure of the arc it intercepts. An inscribed angle has its vertex on the circle, and its measure is half the measure of its intercepted arc. This is one of the most useful circle relationships in geometry. Another major fact is that tangents touch a circle at exactly 1 point. A radius drawn to the point of tangency is perpendicular to the tangent line. 2 tangents from the same external point are equal in length. Secants, which cut through a circle at 2 points, create important angle relationships too. For example, an angle formed outside the circle by 2 secants, or by a secant and a tangent, depends on half the difference of the intercepted arcs. Circles also have area, not just circumference. The area is a equals pi r2, which shows how strongly the size of a circle grows as the radius increases. If the radius doubles, the area becomes 4 times as large. That makes circles unique. Small changes in radius create big changes in area. There are many special circle facts, but they all connect back to one idea. Every point on the circle stays the same distance from the center. From that simple definition come radii, diameters, chords, arcs, tangents, angles, circumference, and area. That is why the circle is one of the most elegant shapes in all of mathematics.